What the heck is going on, you guys? Biggs here from Learn Bengali, and in this video I'm going to go over the Bengali months. I'm going to teach you the Bengali months, how to write them. Well, not how to write them, I've got them written over here. How to pronounce them, and how many are there. So there is 12 of them. See, Bengali months. I have the Bengali version written here, Bangla mash. So months is mash, okay? Mash, mash. Think about mashed potatoes, okay? And cut the potatoes part, and there's mash, so mash becomes mush, just like that. So Bengali months, Bangla mash. And what are they? Right here, there's 12 of them. Start with Boishak, and then we got Joishto, Ashar, Srabon, Bhadro, Ashin, Kartik, Ogrohayon, Posh, Mag, Falgun, and Choitro. Okay, so once again we got Boishak right there, Boishak, Joishto. It's not Joishto, okay, it's Joishto. There's the ta in here, remember? There's the ta. If you're wondering what ta is, go back to my consonant lesson, eh? So, and then, okay, Joishto, and then we got Ashar. That's pretty simple, it's Ashar. It's not Ashar, okay? It's Ashar. We got Srabon, okay? I'm trying to think about something, but forget it. And we got Bhadro, okay? It's not Badro, it's Bhadro. Not Bhadro, okay? Bhadro. Dro. Bhadro. Okay? Okay, then we got Ashin. That's pretty simple. It's not Ashin, it's Ashin, okay? Ashin. This could be Ash. I know a lot of y'all are thinking, oh, it's Ash. No, it's not Ash. It's Ashin, okay? And after that, we got Kartik. It's not Kartik, it's Kartik. There's the to in here. Remember that. And then after that is Ogrohayon. No, it's not Ogrohayon, it's Ogrohayon. O. So there's the O in here, remember? Ogrohayon. Hayon. This is like Hayon, kind of, but it's actually Hayon. Maybe I'll change it to this Hayon. That's better. Ogrohayon. There's the I here, Ogrohayon. Well, yeah, I mean, for people who are learning it from the English pronunciation here, it's Ogro. It sounds like, it looks like Ogrohayon, but it's Ogrohayon. Not much of a difference, I know. I'm sorry. Posh, this is simple. It's not push, it's posh. Posh. It's like potion, posh. Now they've got mag. No, not mag. Mug. Mug. M-A-G-H. I think they should have an accent here. But guess what? It's mug. You gotta listen to me, okay? Mug. After that, we have Falgun. It's not Falgun. No, it's not gun. Definitely, it's not Falgun. No, it's Falgun. Maybe I should change it to Gun. There you go. Falgun. Falgun. So there's Gun. Okay, and then after that, we have Choitro. Choitro. No, it's not cohort, bro. It's Choitro, okay? So once again, Boishak, Joishto, Ashar, Srabon, Bhadro, Ashin, Kartik, Ogrohayon, Posh, Mag, Falgun, and Choitro. I hope this one makes sense to you guys. If you have any question, comment, or anything like that, let me know. Comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, eh? But other than that, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.